Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Grab over 500 plus Spring Kids activity pages and dominate much loved kids learning and activity market today. PLR license included. Build credibility by turning anyone into low content seller and publishers in a minute. New and fresh collection of over 500 plus high quality Spring Kids learning kit with a full PLR license. Get instant access and special discount today. SpringFit solution for savvy digital sellers and busy parents. Ready to turn this spring into jolly sales season while a door to the appreciation from children all around the world? Embrace this right moment. Our Spring Activity KIT is your ticket to creating memorable experiences and boosting your sales. Whether you are Amazon KDP publisher, Etsy seller, Fiverr enthusiast, and teacher on Teachers Pay Teachers, this bundle is tailor-made for you. Welcome the Spring Activity KIT knocked at your doorstep, bringing you spring sales and celebrations right now. You can craft memorable Easter experiences with effortless creativity. This Spring Activity Kit bundle is the perfect solution to all your design woes. With professionally crafted templates and ready-to-use illustrations, you can effortlessly create charming and interactive activity books that will delight children and parents alike. Forget the frustration of crafting stunning activity books from scratch. Between sourcing graphics, mastering layouts, and churning out engaging content, who has time to learn complex design software just for a seasonal product, anyway? Proudly presents the only kids learning kit designed to boost your sales this spring with carefully designed templates. Ready to make your sales boost on Etsy, Amazon, Teachers Pay Teachers, Fiverr, and your own web store. Well, these ready-to-publish templates are fully bursting with engaging activities including coloring pages, reading comprehensions, symmetry pages, color by code sheets, maths printables, mazes, and much more. Special launch discount, the early bird discount is now active. Get a Spring Activity Kit with a full private label right, PLR, license now.